Hello again, everybody. This nice touch of fall is with us, and it's going to stay with us through the weekend. So we got a great one coming up as high pressure remains the main thing that is influencing our weather. Lots of sunshine today, and we're going to have more of that coming up for you tomorrow. We'll have plenty of sunshine with the dry air continuing to filter into the area. We will be keeping an eye, though, over the southeastern part of the country because some moisture will start to move in there associated with a possible tropical storm that could be developing, but at least a system that is going to be bringing some moisture to the coast there of mainly South Carolina, and then as it continues to move inland, it'll start pushing some of that moisture westward, and some of that could make it over to the Arklatex. This is toward the end of next week when we expect to see our chances of rain at least have a chance to increase across the East Texas area. So that's what we'll be looking at a little further on down the road. We are watching this system. This is the one that we just showed you. It is being investigated for the possibility of developing into a tropical depression, but the models that forecast where that is likely to go, a lot of those are converging on the coast of the Carolinas and particularly around Charleston, South Carolina there. This is Wednesday morning early when it might be making landfall, whether it becomes a tropical storm or just remains a disturbance and a big rainmaker there. But that would be a possible rain changer for us later on down the road. We do have Hurricane Humberto, which is strengthening pretty rapidly. It is expected to become a Category 3 and not long after that a Category 4 storm, but it's still out over the open Atlantic there and will be taking a turn which will initially take it toward the coast of the U.S., but it will continue to make that northeastward turn as these systems often do there and head back out over the open waters. But again, a Category 4 hurricane before it moves on up toward the island of Bermuda as a Category 3 storm, and that would be happening about Tuesday afternoon of next week and then continuing on to the northeast from there. It is, though, going to be creating some high swells on the east coast of the United States. Temperatures right now, we are in the mid-80s, about normal for this time of the year. Got those northerly winds coming in, so that means dry air continues to filter into East Texas, and it's going to help our temperatures cool off overnight. So in the morning when you get up on Saturday, you'll have temperatures as low as the upper 50s to low 60s around the area, so a nice comfortable start to your day. Maybe take that cup of coffee out on the back porch. Saturday afternoon, we'll be back up into the middle and in deep East Texas, maybe some upper 80s there, as those temperatures will be a few degrees warmer than the rest of our East Texas area. Here's a look at your next 7 days. We'll have lots of sunshine through the weekend, mid-80s for your highs, low 60s for your lows. Next week, we'll have lots of sunshine as temperatures continue to gradually warm up, and in deep East Texas, your temperatures may go a degree or two higher, maybe making the low 90s by Wednesday. Check the forecast anytime at KETK.com.